So today I want to make another project from the English. So it's a study plan presentation. So yeah, maybe we just begin to the presentation. So my title is about your roadmap. I mean, this title is about your roadmap to become a job ready programmer. So we just start next. Yeah, the first one that you need is choose your parents' commit. So maybe you wanna be a web development, you should run HTML, CSS, or JavaScript, and JavaScript, and if you wanna become the data analyst or AI, yeah, we need a Python, pandas, numbers, scikit-learn, and PyTorch or TensorFlow. And for mobile apps, you can use Flutter or we call it Dart, or Kotlin, Swift. If you want to become a game developer, you should learn a C with a Unity or Godot. And then in phase zero, so you need to have a mindset and a setup first. So the ambient chance they said that the first 2 until 3 months will feel difficult, and this is normal for a programmer experience. And the second one is that you should set up your workspace. So like install VS Code and Essential extension. This will be your primary coding environment. And the third one, build your online presence. So create account on GitHub for version control, let code or code wars for practice, and free code camp for learning. And then the past one, master the fundamentals. So yeah, the goal is to write a small program without constantly relying on search engine. Focus on understanding core concept. So yeah, this Python. So example for the Python fundamentals. Is automate the boring stuff with the Python free or Python crash course. And for JavaScript, JavaScript into free moderate or free code cam curriculum. Yeah. K concept. Variables, loops, conditionals, function, list, or arrays, or object basic file, or file. Well, and you should learn for a daily habit like 30 until 60 minutes after your studies, followed by 30 until 60 minutes of hand-on exercise. Consistently is okay. It has to build muscle memory with the practice. So yeah, the first one, target tips. Yeah. So you have to solve 100 until 150 easy problems. For example, you have a problem on your project, maybe like the web development, but yeah, maybe you can take care with the problem. Maybe you can ask the AI, or maybe you may do it yourself. But the VS Code right now, it has an AI inside the extension, the extensions on the VS Code, so we can make it easy to use. And the second one is only project. So start with simple apps, like calculator maybe. You have to do this whatever app using an API or an API as a personal option or portfolio. And the short ones must be Git and GitHub. Post every project to GitHub. This is crucial for collaboration and showcasing your work. Pass 3 deep dive. Pass 3 deep dive into frameworks. Yeah. Once fundamentals are solid, choose a framework and become a proficient. This is where you start building more complex applications. So here are React.js, Node.js, yeah, and next, yes, yeah, from the focus. So React is heavily domain here in the it with five rich router and several CSS for modern stack and backend focus. And for backend is explore Node.js, explore JavaScript or Python's fast API or Django for robust server-side development. A full stack excellence is next. JS is a extremely popular choice if you enjoy rich and want to build a full stack application. Yeah. So the effective learning research. So the effective learning research is the audience project of free project visit. Free code cam RG, right? The 3,000 hours. Yeah, full stack of University of Helsinki and CS feedbacks Harvard work. Phase 4, the real world project. Yeah. Stop tutorial and start building. This is the most crucial phase for becoming a job ready. I am and for three until 5 level working project. Clone exciting application. We create features from the popular platform like Reddit, Twitter, or Notion to understand their architecture and second develop a SaaS idea. It's a small scale software as a service project used by a few people demonstrated real world applications. Yeah. The third one, contribute to open source. Look for good for first issue levels on GitHub. Start contributing to open source projects and gain collaborative experience. Sustainable, sustainable, yeah, schedule and habits. Constant over efficiency of balance schedule leads to long-term success in your coding journey. That's like daily effort for 1 to 2 hour on weekdays and 4 to 6 hour on weekend. Yeah, this is a sustainable pace. Yeah, and productivity technique use the Pomodoro method, 25 script 5 or 50 script 10 to maintain focus and prevent burnout and code daily. Even 15 minutes of coding per day keeps your skills sharp and building momentum. And weekly review. Yeah. Reflect every Sunday on your progress. What worked well and what could be improved. So maybe yeah. So the effort the other weekdays, maybe I choose 1 hour to 2 hours because the weekday we have to go to school, we have to learn we have college subject or other subject that we should learn. We just we're gonna take until 2 hours. We're on the weekdays and about weekends because the free time we didn't have any time to go to school, so it's a free time. I'm going to take 6 or more than 6. So and also every week from your progress you have to reflect every Sunday maybe yeah maybe every Sunday or Friday on your progress what worked well and what could be improved. These tools and practice of great developers. Beyond coding, mastering this practice will escalate you from a good developer to a truly effective one. So the first one will be the red documentation. Yeah, it's become confident at navigating official docs. In the end, for us, docs, Python, RAG are effective googling. So I learned to use specific search queries like how to reserve a string in Python. Beside this, the website is stack of flow, say overflow.com type.copy. He's actually typing out of code to help with the attention more than copy pasting. And for the AI assistant, is stuck for more than 20 minutes as security work behind and then explain the solution in your own words. And write clean code, practice writing clean, readable code and comments from day one. It's talent to job, readiness, and bonus research. Realistic outlook in your journey is to become job ready with a valuable research to calibrate your progress. So the first during the 3 months is for the master basic on and complete small project. The second maybe until 3 to 9 months for the intermediate skills and the solid portfolio. Most junior jobs are secured here. And three, yeah, is the developer senior, that is level 10. So it's a system design knowledge and advanced skill. Alright. Well, we define it as advanced. That's why. So talent second is secondary to constant building project and debug your own code. And beyond detecting as an under 20 hours a week for a year will surpass 95% of your applicants. Okay, that's all. That will do all for me. I have that mistake here. I'm sorry. So yeah, maybe that's all for me. Okay, maybe I'm recording something like that.